So guys, unfortunately we find ourselves in a second national lockdown. It's extremely important to keep busy and safe in these difficult times. And I believe there's no better way to do this than with a bit of home DIY and gardening. With so many of us working from home, I thought it'd be great to create some new videos showing people how to build their own bespoke corner desks and fold-away desks, which are perfect for the spare bedrooms. For those of you who don't have a spare bedroom to work from home, I constructed a garden office, which is probably one of the largest how-to videos I've ever created. I made this with a pitched roof, insulated walls, floors and ceiling, added double glazing windows and French doors. The chicken coops we built last year from old pallets still needed painting and waxing. Then I had to reconstruct the frame of our hanging fireplace. I cut down the 4 metal corner posts and rebuilt the frame to cater for the new bespoke 3-sided panoramic flame effect fire. I boarded this out, then skimmed it, waiting for it to dry before painting. Next up was the driveway. This had been postponed for nearly 18 months as it was a mammoth of a task. I had to get a small team in to help me. We spread the stone, then laid 675 square metres of block pavers, closely watched by the beady eye of Nelly. Then to be directed by Laura when fitting the last remaining block. And of course my paint sprayer made countless appearances on garden furniture, sheds, Nelly's climbing frame, fences, wooden trims to finish off the garden office. We even managed to build and paint our own garden bar out of old scrap pallet wood. Quite often our homes are the biggest investments we make in our entire lives, and it's our responsibility to maintain them and make the best of our living space, whatever size property you live in. We have hundreds of online how-to videos to help guide you through the step-by-step stages. You can find these on our social media platforms and YouTube channels via Silverline, French Chic, Wagner, Tile Mountain and Mr and Mrs DIY. All the links are on my website craigphillips.co.uk or mrandmrsdiy.tv.